Hello everyone. So for this video tutorial, I'll be showing you or teaching you how to remove the 3D object folder from your My Computer or File Explorer. So in Windows 10, um, as we all know, this 3D object is already a default folder whenever you open your My Computer or this PC or your File Explorer. So nandyan na siya. This folder stores the 3D object that you created using the 3D application na meron sa Windows 10. However, for me, I'm not using that one. So, this folder doesn't uh, give me any parang use. So, will be much familiar if nandito yung desktop or yung typical setup natin, yung desktop yung nandito na folder. So for me, this is kind of annoying and I will remove this one. So there are available software which you can look sa Google which allow you to remove this folder. Pero for me, I'll be doing this manually by editing the registry. So to do that, you can open your Windows Explorer, then search for your registry editor, or you can do a shortcut, which is the Windows R, and then type regedit, and then click OK. Then it will ask you to, if you want to uh, make some changes with the registry editor, just click yes, and then you will have this window. So this window is your registry editor, and we will now look for the folder in this editor and remove it. So I have here sa notepad yung aking path ng registry editor. So we are currently going to the local machine, HK local machine, and then go to software and go to Microsoft, look for Microsoft here, and then Windows, go to Windows, Windows W. So scroll down Windows current version, look for the current version, and then Explorer, look for the Explorer. So be careful when you're editing your registry because you may delete some of the important registry which will or may cause your system to malfunction. So after Explorer, go to my computer here. Then namespace. Then look for this value. So this value is associated with the 3D folder na we can observe sa ating my computer or this PC. And we just need to delete this one. So be um, aware. Also be careful also. So you look for that value here, which is this one. And so um, this is our 3D object. So if you want to you can export this one for you to have a backup in case you want to make the 3D object folder to be returned in case kailangan nyo siya. For me, I don't need it, so I don't need to export this one. I just delete it right away. So right click and then click delete, then click yes. So it will delete the whole folder uh, in the my computer. So this is already done. You're already done if you're running under 32-bit of Windows 10. However, if you're using 64-bit like what I have here, so we need to go to the next step, which is this one. So we need to navigate to this location and then also delete the same registry. So to do that, let's go back to the HKey local machine and then go to the software. Then look for WoW 6432 node. So WOW, which is here, this one. So we're under the Microsoft, so we need to go out. Yan. That's my bad, my bad. So we need software and then go to the Wow 6432 node, which is here. So then click on this one, expand. Then look for Microsoft here, Microsoft, and then Windows, Windows, and then current version, Explorer, my computer, and namespace. My computer, then namespace. So as you can see, you have the same, the value here also exists. So for the 3D object folder, if you're running under 64-bit, so let's delete this one. Yeah, so that should do. Let's check if the 3D object is already removed. So let's close our File Explorer, and then to open it, we can do the shortcut, which is the Windows key plus the letter E. And as you observe, that we already removed the uh, 3D object. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope this helped you in solving the same problem. So thank you for watching and see you on my next video, guys. If you have any comments, suggestion, just put it in the comment section below, and then like this video if uh, you like it.